another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at a women's exclusive. These are some Nike Dunk Lows, and they're dubbed the Miami Dolphins. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back, everyone, to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks, as well as our merch store. Today, we are going to be talking about some women's exclusive Nike Dunk Lows. These are called the Miami Dolphins, as you can see by the collar scheme. We'll talk about the overview on these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really fun colorway for the summer. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So jumping into the sneaker itself, Miami Dolphins. I was always a fan of the Miami Dolphins because I was a fan of Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. And as you know, he was undercover and looking for the championship ring and all these cues, and the Miami Dolphins was the team throughout that series. So I was obsessed, or not series, that movie. So I was really obsessed with them as a child, just because of Jim Carrey himself. But starting with the front of the toe box on here, we have a nice crisp white leather for the toe box on the front. We do have that nice kind of Miami Dolphins teal turquoise color scheme that's nicely tumbled on the front portion of the sneaker. We've got matching laces as well to that teal turquoise color. Simplistic, just a white nylon tongue with hits of this kumquat orange color scheme. And Nike and the swoosh mark is in a simple white colorway, but bringing the orange and that turquoise together really with the white is the Miami Dolphins colorway. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side panels. All right, so working our way to the side panels, underlays of that white leather, overlays of that tumbled turquoise on the swoosh mark there. Working our way to the back, we've got Nike embroidered in white, which really pops quite nicely off the tumbled teal leather. Then as we work our way to the other side of the sneaker, the same as far as the leather goes, underlays of the white leather, overlays of this tumbled white leather on the swoosh mark, as well as, when I'm actually looking at here, it's crazy because the leather seems to be a bit smoother on the side panels here, but it is more of a tumbled leather on the swoosh marks and more of a tumbled leather as you get more towards the upper of the sneaker itself. On the insole, we do have teal insoles with white for the Nike and swoosh mark logo. The sneaker is then completed with a white midsole and a gum bottom for the outsole. Nice kind of semi-translucent gum bottom actually, which is quite nice. It's very complimentary of the color scheme. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as size and fit goes, these again were women's exclusives, so I am true to size in the Dunk Lows. I am a size 9 in women's, which is equivalent to a 7.5 men's. I would say 6 true to size on this one. If you do have high arch narrow feet like myself, that would work best for you. But I think that if you do have flatter, wider feet, that could potentially also be a different size range for you, because we do have different types of feet. All right, so jumping into styling, again, just really fun, bright, vibrant colorway for the summertime. Definitely going to be wearing these all day long, I feel like, in the summer, just because this is a very complementary color for some of the pieces I have in my wardrobe currently. For the first look, I decided to dress up a little bit with a abstract maxi dress that had some nice different types of teals and turquoise in there. I also layered that with a button-down cropped denim tee, and I think that that also, with light denim, is very complementary for the color scheme going on in the sneaker. For the second look, I wore some simple, just striped button, a simple striped button-down shirt that had some nice teals and blues and creams in it, and I wore a simple white tee underneath that, and then some terry cloth cream shorts. I think cream is a great color scheme as well that goes quite nicely with this. And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear an abstract bodysuit that had different types of blues and greens in it, which also complemented the sneaker quite nicely. And then I paired that with some straight-legged denim in a cream colorway. You let me know down below, was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Tell me now, you're the one I've been dreaming about for my whole life. Had you on my mind, oh, hear the sound of your voice in a crowd, calling my name, yeah, you captivate, oh.
included with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $100 and they're currently going between $145 to $200. So not a bad price point. If you are a Miami Dolphin fan, I feel like you have to have these in your collection. This is just definitely on point when it comes to that color scheme. And if you have a lot of Miami Dolphin gear, this is definitely going to be complimentary. Obviously, I didn't really mix and match any Miami Dolphins gear since I don't have any, but definitely would have been a great option for the styling section. That's it, everyone, for this unboxing and review. If you're new here and joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on the way out. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all next episode.